A wooden rocket in a boy's small hand, the moon above, so bright and grand. One day, he whispered to the night, I'll touch that distant dancing light. At last the day, Apollo's call, 3 men to risk and dare it all. The mighty rocket pierced the sky, his childhood dream had learned to fly.
It's one small step for man.
But it's a giant leap for mankind.
Alone he flew round Luna's face, the loneliest man in all of space. Whilst others walked that silver ground, he kept their lifeline, safe and sound. But dreams don't end with those who try, they spark in every searching eye. His grandson holds tomorrow bright, you'll touch that distant dancing light.